one of the questions we get at Gorilla Support is how do I make it appear that something has appeared on the screen and then disappears from the screen? This tutorial will answer that question. Fundamentally, you don't make things appear on a screen and disappear from a screen. What you do is you have several screens in a row with slightly different things on them. Let's have a look at this example. So first we have a fixation, then we have a frog, and then a speech bubble appears, then it disappears again. And now the response buttons appear. Did he say a word or a non-word? And he said a word. And that would be the end of the display, the trial. So how that effect is achieved in Gorilla is by having a display with several screens. First we have the fixation, then we have the frog with a countdown timer, then we have the frog with the speech bubble. Let's go and have a look at that stimuli, frog_green. Here's the frog_green with the speech bubble. Then we go back to the frog again for another countdown, another time limit screen. And then finally we have the response screen with a picture of the frog. Did the frog say a word or a non-word? Word, non-word. And because in Gorilla we know that the screens sync up directly one after the other, this is how we ensure you have the precision timing between your elements.